Cryptocurrency, it's the word on everyone's lips, the buzz in every financial conversation, and the topic that has everyone from tech enthusiasts to seasoned investors talking. The future of finance, the revolution in the making. It's not just a trend, it's a paradigm shift that's changing the way we think about money and transactions. But let's be real, it's also a wild ride, the kind of ride that has you gripping the edge of your seat, heart pounding, adrenaline rushing. One minute you're soaring high, feeling invincible as your investments skyrocket. The next you're plummeting back down to earth, wondering what went wrong. It's not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. The emotional roller coaster can be intense, with every peak and valley testing your resolve. This volatility, this unpredictable nature, it's part of what makes crypto so exciting. The rapid changes, the constant flux, it's a dynamic environment that keeps you on your toes. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, and for those willing to play, the potential rewards are enormous. The thrill of seeing your investments grow exponentially can be incredibly rewarding, but it's crucial to remember there's no such thing as a guaranteed win. The market can be unforgiving, and losses can be just as dramatic as gains. This isn't your grandpa's stock market. The rules are different, the pace is faster, and the stakes are higher. Traditional investment strategies might not always apply. This is crypto, and in the world of crypto, anything can happen. The unexpected is the norm, and the only certainty is uncertainty. So, buckle up, stay informed, and be prepared for the ride of your life. Let me take a moment to introduce myself. I am Mark from Crypto for Seniors, where curiosity evolves into knowledge. As you watch, please remember nothing contained on this video, my channel, or website is considered financial advice. I am just a guy on the internet who is documenting his journey into retirement. Now back to the video. We all saw it, the recent dip in Bitcoin's price. It was hard to miss, a sudden drop that caught everyone's attention. It sent shockwaves through the crypto community, left people scrambling, wondering what's next. Social media was abuzz with speculation, and forums were filled with heated debates. It's easy to get caught up in the fear, the uncertainty. The market's volatility can be intimidating, especially for those new to the game. Fear and doubt can cloud judgment, leading to hasty decisions. But let's take a step back, breathe, and remember, this isn't Bitcoin's first rodeo. Historically, Bitcoin has experienced numerous fluctuations, each time bouncing back with resilience. Bitcoin has seen its fair share of ups and downs, crashes and booms. From its early days when it was worth mere cents to its meteoric rise to thousands of dollars, Bitcoin's journey has been anything but smooth. It's weathered every storm, emerged stronger each time. Each dip has been followed by a surge, each crash by a recovery. This pattern is a testament to Bitcoin's enduring strength and the faith of its community. This recent dip, it's just another chapter in Bitcoin's story, a story that's far from over. Every dip is a part of the larger narrative, a narrative of growth, adaptation, and resilience. So what does this mean for you? Don't panic, don't make rash decisions. The key is to stay calm and composed. Remember, the market's short-term movements shouldn't dictate your long-term strategy. Stay informed, stay educated, and remember, long-term vision is key. Educate yourself about the market trends, understand the factors driving these changes, and make informed decisions. The crypto market is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and knowledge are your best allies. Listen to experts, follow credible sources, and keep an eye on the bigger picture. Bitcoin's potential is vast, and its journey is still unfolding. This dip, just a blip on the radar in the grand scheme of things. So hold steady, keep your eyes on the horizon, and remember, the best is yet to come. Bitcoin's story is still being written, and you are a part of it. Everyone wants to know, what's the next Bitcoin? When will Ethereum moon? The truth is, no one knows. Anyone who claims to have all the answers is selling something. The crypto market is incredibly complex, influenced by a myriad of factors, from global economics to technological advancements. It's impossible to predict with 100% certainty what will happen next. Does that mean we throw our hands up in defeat? Absolutely not. It means we approach crypto with a healthy dose of skepticism, a willingness to learn, and an understanding that risk is an inherent part of the game. In the world of crypto, knowledge is your most valuable asset. Before you invest a single dollar, do your research. Understand what you're investing in, the technology behind it, the team behind the project. Read white papers, follow industry experts, join online communities. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Don't fall for hype. Don't chase quick gains. Invest in projects you believe in, projects with real-world utility, projects with a solid foundation. timing the market, skill, or luck? They say timing is everything, and in crypto, that's partially true. The market is incredibly volatile, with prices swinging wildly within minutes, sometimes even seconds. This volatility can be both a blessing and a curse, offering opportunities for massive gains, but also posing significant risks. Buying low and selling high is the goal, but timing those perfect entries and exits is easier said than done. Many traders spend countless hours analyzing charts, looking for patterns and trying to predict the next big move. They use a variety of tools and indicators, from moving averages to Fibonacci retracements, in an attempt to gain an edge. Technical analysis, market sentiment, news events, all these factors play a role in determining the price of cryptocurrencies. A single tweet from a major influencer or a sudden regulatory announcement can send prices soaring or plummeting. It's a market driven by both data and emotion, where fear and greed often dictate the flow of money. It's a constant dance, a delicate balance. Traders must weigh the potential rewards against the risks, always mindful that the market can turn on a dime. It's a game of probabilities, where even the most skilled can be caught off guard by an unexpected turn of events. Don't beat yourself up if you miss the perfect entry point. The market is full of opportunities, and there will always be another chance to make a profitable trade. The key is to stay informed, stay patient, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term fluctuations. Don't panic sell if the market takes a dip. Corrections are a natural part of any market cycle, and they often present some of the best buying opportunities. Instead of reacting emotionally, take a step back, reassess your strategy, and consider the long-term potential of your investments. Focus on the long game, on the potential of the technology, and remember, patience is a virtue. The true value of cryptocurrencies lies in their underlying technology and the transformative potential they hold for various industries. By keeping your eyes on the bigger picture and maintaining a disciplined approach, you can navigate the ups and downs of the market with greater confidence and resilience. Hodling Strong, my Bitcoin journey. I've been involved in the crypto space for a while now, and I've seen it all. I've seen Bitcoin soar to unimaginable heights, only to come crashing back down. I've seen altcoins pump and dump, leaving investors in the dust. But through it all, I've held on to my belief in Bitcoin. I believe in its potential to change the world, to create a more equitable financial system. My strategy? Simple. I buy, I hold, I ignore the noise. It's not always easy, but it's been effective. Exploring the crypto universe beyond Bitcoin. Bitcoin may be the king, but it's not the only game in town. Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, the list goes on. Each of these cryptocurrencies has its own unique features, its own potential to disrupt various industries. Ethereum, with its smart contract functionality, is powering the decentralized applications of tomorrow. Solana is gaining traction for its speed and scalability. Cardano is focused on sustainability and security. Take the time to explore these different projects, understand their value propositions, and diversify your portfolio accordingly. Trading bots, friends or foes. Trading bots have become increasingly popular in the crypto space, promising to automate trading strategies and maximize profits. But are they all they're cracked up to be? Trading bots can be powerful tools, but they're not a magic bullet. They require careful configuration, ongoing monitoring, and a deep understanding of the markets. If you're considering using a trading bot, start small, paper trade, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Starting small, dreaming big. You don't need to be a millionaire to invest in crypto. Start small, learn the ropes, and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. The crypto market is still in its infancy, and the potential for growth is enormous. Be patient, be persistent, and never stop learning. The future of crypto, a world of possibilities. The crypto space is constantly evolving, constantly innovating. What does the future hold? Decentralized finance, NFTs, the metaverse, the possibilities are endless. One thing's for sure, crypto is here to stay. It's changing the world as we know it, and those who embrace it stand to reap the rewards. Disclaimer, not your financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. Do your own research, make your own decisions, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is risky, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Proceed with caution, but don't be afraid to seize the opportunity.